So you start off. Hey, here we go. Script's down here. This is Anthony Thornton with the Anthony Thornton Real Estate Team, and I'm with Mr. Smith. And Mr. Smith, tell everybody what you do for a living. Oh, I'm a postal worker. I'm a CEO. I'm whatever. Before you found our team, can you share what your experience was like looking for homes? And a lot of times they'll say, "Oh, I was on Zillow," and we know this. Oh, Zillow was everything already pending when you went there. It was already sold. Yeah, it was. Were you searching on Zillow and other sites? They go, "Yeah, you were. There was." What do you like most about our team and process? And they're gonna tell you what they like most about your team and your process, right? And then say, "Would you recommend me and my team to any others looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate?" They're going to say yes. Thank you so much for giving an opportunity to serve. If you're watching and know anyone looking to buy or sell the place that they call home, please contact us at Visit X, okay? And cut the video off. The next thing you will do, now you have this video testimony on your phone. You're like, "I don't know how to edit videos." Yes, you don't need to know how. You can go to Fiverr.com, Fiverr, Fiverr.com, and you can go in here and find somebody to do video editing. Most of the people on here, video editing for YouTube, most people on here will charge, look at these prices, guys, $15. They got all kinds of $25. Here's one for $5. You could just get this guy, upload your video, $5 later, you're done. And the only question is, how many days a week would you be able to do this, right? Less than a cup of coffee, you could have a video testimonial from a client saying how awesome it was to work with you. How about this video? You're out looking for properties and you say, "Hey, I'm out here with Mr. and Mrs. Smith, and we just looked at 3 homes." You know they love it, right? You guys love this home, don't you? Yes, we love it, we love it, we love it. Hey guys, if you're watching this on Facebook, Instagram, social media, anywhere, I want you to follow us and find out which home that they buy. Okay, find out. And you could just comment below on what you think about this home. And remember, if you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, you can reach me at, okay, you can DM me at whatever the different medium you're going to market on. You could be doing videos with clients over and over and over and over. Every single time that they are excited, you should break out your phone and let's shoot a quick video, you guys. Get you in a video. Whatever it's about, it does not matter. People will watch it. Send it to Fiverr. Pay $5. You don't need anything special. Pay $5. Let them edit your video.